Only water this video, Metomaka na share button, sharing this video. Now to our brother, a particular Anglican priest. I chose not to mention your name for a reason until you give me a reason either mention your name. Because you have always come after anything that has to do with Zion from a destructive point. Yes, your criticism against Zion is not a constructive one. And that was just chalomase. Even polase wo mother a contribute to something. Malachasta for maybe is napota you will idea and pretend kaya say nemari fi neme we just tell me weka okenye sere na oma heguana we fi we tell me we ko okenye sere na oma heguana nya mother da ya wo malo mana ya wo with impunity. You want to go? I don't want to talk about different ways a man is where dive go into Ife Basalo Zion in the past. But let me talk about this particular one. You want to go? You Ekuluna Namado Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a minister like you. He's a minister like you. He's a prophet, even though you are an ordained Catholic Anglican priest. Owe Tisha Crusade. Yeah, I am trying Kamwolugu tea in his shoes. Ngoma. We kachascha ime crusade. Organize channel. Put equipment. Mount to stage. Mount to sound. Mount to every single thing. People move from different places. As of a day to, I can bet you that more than close to 1 million people are already down in Enugu State for that same crusade. Yeah, let us assume that no Evangelist Ebuka Obi, no ngoma, this particular Anglican priest, because I'm a need a J program. You are not just a priest in a Mobia Koko, in a J program, in a legacy program, name crusade, name if you want to go. We know a day. In fact, evening to the next day, he make crusade. We go now Washigo Stadium. Ebe eyano weme iweju ajuju ewese na orders from above. Iwe mecha later we chop ta na even governor adoro aware about that particular order. What will you do? You won't say anything. You will not even react. Social media will be quiet. Because according to you, you were only interested that I made a video without mentioning anybody's name. I did not mention anybody's name. But you disregarded the main reason of me making my video. You went straight to go and say, where there is none. You even said that we are trying to create Ogo where there is none. I called your attention again to say, why are you disregarding the main issue here, which is going to now a minister do kayo ke deny entry ebo kwado channel or a make crusade. You still disregarded it again and you went to talk about numbers or crowd. Uzi or say miracle. Well, before I proceed in saying what I want to say, let me answer that question to you. Crowd so, miracle so. The reason you say on a crowd so na show crowd yes, na show crowd you will like it. Yes, kerife wona afia do man alone way is all about numbers. Kerife Christianity about today. Christianity na about today because na Christianity is when numbers on even Nigeria today. Two major religion in Nigeria today. And then not by but by numbers or by numbers. Numbers speak in everything. Numbers name something. You can't tell me that ni a GJ but I'm a restaurant full lion or can't go ever. Phone can you will if any baby. If you know me ya so say mba no kwa back if any medo and no kwa eba no mo if any me or you put on a filling station full na ndem madu ju na filling station a phone can not do empty. If you do ni me ya gwana ho Not Wakanda, Eba free section, the Madakanko, Undenele Zibo fuel. Nanda neba undenele ajo fuel. So are you telling me that now no one Matthias will numbers as big as 5 million people? Are you telling me that no one Matthias will physical numbers now then a church here? 5,000 people that you will not be worried as a priest? Are you telling me no one Matthias will physical members now be a church here with the message him on a preach? So we won't every Sunday. Now Matthias will even overflow capacity people a feel of over 3,000 to 4,000 people. Are you telling me that as a minister of God, Odoka, that you will not be worried? Will you not be worried? You will be worried of the number of souls. Nanani. You will be worried. So, old age is in a jealousy and is it all about numbers? Yes. Numbers matters. And miracles matters. If not, can you in a J program? Programs are in a J. Based on what you believe. Yes. Or as in a water pakari benanko. As no bariana jofia. Une usina nyoku unu on a wutem no one and then a wanyokwa. Nandena wa Ebuka Obi mwa nazo. See from the church. See from the altar. Not just Nahasi from the church. But Hasi from the altar. On a wutem so much. Seeing a priest Obiado covered with so much bitterness. So much bitterness, jealousy. You are now asking me, is it about? But you may porn every day, receive your miracle. Then I announce the program here. Come and God will visit you at the area of your need. You will receive your miracle. You will receive your testimony. What is that all about? Why are you telling us about that program? Why are you telling us what we should expect from that program? Why are you telling us? Why will you not tell us, come, you will receive salvation. God will save your soul. Heaven will be assured. Why are you not saying that? Why are you even using social media platform? If not to reach out to more souls that you can get. Why are you using your social media platform? Why are you printing posters and pasting even to non-members of your congregation to come and receive that healing, to come and receive salvation, and to come and receive healing? Why are you doing so? Why are you evangelizing more if not to get more souls? Only deceives no one. Let me be honest with you now and tell you, it is all about crowd. Yes. If it is not all about crowd, why Father Webejo Ijuedo concerned about the number of Catholics that are going to Evangelist Ebuka Obi's place? Why is he bothered? If not because of the shocking cloud of people on our there. Crowd of people on our there, sorry. Yes. If not because of crowd of people on our there, why will he be bothered? Yes. If you do bothered about the crowd on our there, no one a crowd amataho. Oblonya wife ne intimidating them whatever. Only deceives no na ago man on amaho. Roba no na ago. Na beyond akwocha ha na eyi. No mo na hiri family mmadu ojuwe woro mmadu. And if na simpisi ka doko fodo ni mu no yi akwocha na aho. Anyokwu na anyofu no na ehu onwo no karila akari. You are still refusing to talk about Evangelist Ebuka Enugu. You are refusing to share or talk about the experience of a fellow minister like you, Enugu. In the Madochol can deny ya before their Enugu. You did not consider those people who came from different parts of the country and world just to come for that program. You consider offer. You started talking about point accusing figure. Kelonya accused. Ngwagwa monyen accused. Wolaka jena comment section ngwa monyen accused. Elijah Enugu afa. Elijah Enugu afa nna. Elijah Enugu afa grandfather. Ase na atu inu nkreka nkuku onyo inu nkreka nkota onyo omala ebulu. Ekwuru m okwu unubulu. Disregarding the main issue till today. Now all the comments they drop, you are still refused to talk about the issue. Is that how much bitterness you will know? And wickedness more among men and among to that altar. And now I know why in fact, the judgment will start from the altar, not even Nunoka. The altar go, you dare talk about numbers. What? Who doesn't need numbers? You don't need crowd. In the crowd. If not about numbers. If put on a church, or we want members road to 5 or a members road to 10. In a more, are you doing well as a priest or are you doing well as a minister? We want to know na church you need reduce you to a social club. When God is not manifesting in any way. Somebody cannot even share a testimony of ne if a chineke glory na yoko. Are you telling me that if people na be I'm asking you, even the mother na church kare visitors need be there with different requests. Different requests ka haji abia ohongonya asiri na etu ihu isi we di chiche. Ka mpara akpa isi we di chiche. And the Hanchanine who is capable of solving all those problems. Ochuku, ụfọdụ wunde nyande, ụfọdụ wunde obi ha na-akpafu akpafu, ụfọdụ wunde mechanari fojo na seeking for salvation. Afiru no na n'ime Chukwu ka ha ya bịa nweta nsọpụta. There are different things people jabia church. You cannot write this one off and oppose this one. Other possible. Hanchanine inclusive. And the one Hanchanine zuru ezu na Zion. Kedu fi na-ewule anya ọkụ. Ejeghị imu na-ekwu maka crowd. Crowd ọ mata ho. Even ndị Enugu a na-ekwugheri crowd. Unu ejiho ya n'isi mbụ. Unu ejiho bụ ya n'isi mbụ. Unu ji crowd aha n'isi mbụ. No mbụ unu ji wee chọpụta na ụgbọ agha go unu gbapụzie from it. Kwuezie ọnya we. Yes, ọnya. For as many souls are do saved through you. It is something. All numbers gosiri ni na-eme ọfụma. Nya gosiri ni osori na the first time people ye jiwe ndo wa ye jiwe and epu no ka esi eme n'ụwa ka esi eme n'eluigwe. Ka esi eme n'ụwa ka esi eme n'eluigwe. Onwe ife dị iche. Ni watago udeme na anya ukwu asebo crowd. Gono ka crowd na e crowd. Crowd a na bịa nke Ebuka bịa na nke ya like ya. God use you mighty dey to say use Ebuka. Ya like ya. Ya like ya. This thing is becoming too much. I am waiting for some of you to come and condemn what happened to Enugu. Unu mechisiono because no man unu kwuokwu maka no unu nwere ike ikwujọ mmụọ nọ n'Enugu. Alụsị yi nọ n'Enugu. Unu mechisiono. Give mechisiono. Why can't you mechisiono? Mechisiono complete. Why are you trying to still come out to come and do gra? You mechisiono. Hide your face in shame. Chineke melu na ebele o. Chineke melu na ebele.